Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to swap columns in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's start. Select the column you want to swap. Click the left mouse button on the desired column. Here we will select column 1 and swap it with column 3. You can select and swap one or more columns at once in a table of any size. And now the most important thing. To swap the selected column, press and hold the Shift key and then move the cursor up or down along the row border until you see the pointer in the form of a cross arrow. Then use the left mouse button to drag and drop the column right where you need it. To understand where your column will be, follow the bold green line. If you don't want to look out for that little cross, then we'll use another method. Select the desired column, click the right mouse button and select Cut. A dashed line appeared around our column. Now select the place where we insert our column, for example here, and on the main tab select Insert and then Insert Cut Cells. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.